Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Jeremy has a wire 32 4/5 long and Casey has one that is 16 3/7 long. How much longer is the wire of Jeremy? Let Jeremy has a wire of length equals to x equals to 32 4/5 centimeters and Casey has a wire of length y equals to 16 3/7. Now to find how much longer is the wire of Jeremy, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So here it is 32 into 5, that is 5 2s are 10, 1 carry over, 3 5s 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. So 160 plus 4 is 164 divided by 5. Similarly, convert this 16 3/7 into improper fraction. So 16 7 is 112 plus 3 is 115 by 7. Hence, Jeremy has x minus y length of wire. So x minus y is given by 164 by 5 minus 115 by 7. Now here LCM is 35. So multiply 164 by 7. So here we get 164 by 7 is given by multiply this 164 by 7, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry over, 7 6 are 42 plus 2 is 44, 4 carry over, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 is 11. So it is 1148 minus multiply this 115 by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 1s are 5. So it is 575. Now subtract this 575 from 1148. So it is 573 by 35. Hence Jeremy has 573 divided by 35 centimeter long wire. From available options, we have option C as 573 divided by 35.